social media and privacy with Dot and I. E-rate, social networking. Photogram is so much fun and easy to use. Show what you know. Circle the public place. The library is a public place. Your home is not a public place. Show what you know. Circle the example of an online community, neighborhood, school, social network, mobile phone app. The social network mobile phone app is an online community. Show what you know. When I's social media page is set to private, who can see his photos? Private. Everyone on Photogram, only his close friends and family members. Only his close friends and family members can see I's social media page when it is set to private. Show what you know. What should you do before you share a photo of a family member or friend on social media? A. Ask for permission. B. Tag the photo. C. Take more pictures. It's a really big circle, sorry. Ask for permission. Ask for permission before sharing anything online. Create your own social media profile. Draw photos of all the people that you will add to your Photogram community. Write names of the people in each photo. Then draw a line from each photo to show you are connected. Draw a circle to show that your profile is set to private. So you can take this time and do this on your own. All right, great job.